Question 16. Which of the following systems of inequalities is best represented by the graph below? Okay, first step, determine the equation of this line right here, the red line. Let's use y equals mx plus b, because we know that b is the y-intercept, in this case -6, because that's where the red line crosses the y-axis. And m is the slope, which we, for the moment, do not know yet. Okay, so now the slope is the rise over the run. So moving from this point over to that one, the run is just 3, because we're going from x equals 0 all the way over to x equals 3. And the rise is just 6, because we're going from -6 all the way up to 0. So rise over run, 6 divided by 3 is just 2, so that is the slope. So we have y equals 2x plus -6, which makes it just -6. So we have y equals 2x minus 6. But we have the shaded area below the graph. Or sorry, below the line, that's what I meant. So the shaded region is below the red line. So we can say y is smaller than or equal to 2x minus 6. If we had, I always say this, I know, but if we had the area above the line, we would have chosen y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 6 instead. But that's not the case here. We have the area below. Okay, but we also have another line determining the shaded area as a boundary. And where is that line? Well, right here. Right there. It's the y-axis. What is the equation for the y-axis? It's actually just x equals 0. Any straight line going up and down, just straight up and down, will have an equation of x equals a certain value. The y-axis will have the equation of x equals 0. And we have shaded that region to the right of x equals 0. To the right of the y-axis. So we can say x is greater than or equal to 0. Because these values over here, all these values of x are positive, so x is greater than or equal to 0. Again, of course, if we had shaded the region over to the left of the y-axis, we would have said x is smaller than or equal to 0. Okay, so the solution, or the answer, rather, is, let's see, A. X is greater than or equal to 0, and y is smaller than or equal to 2x minus 6. That's it.